XRP, we start with 1 hour chart and we want to see what's the next. Based on 1 hour chart, okay, as we can see, we have this correction. We want to see how we can look for trade. First of all, since the price was within here after the breakout of 1.97, we have been looking for 2.37 following by 2.9. And now we see the price exactly tagged. There was no breakout 2.9 and the 2.37 become as a support. Okay. Now, this is the reason why after the breakout of 1.97, since the price was somewhere around 50 to 60 cent, I was keep talking about the 1.97, 2.37 following 2.9. Okay, this is what we can see here. Then after the breakout of 2.9, we are looking for all-time high. Right now we're looking at this. Okay, now we want to see how deep and how long the price can consolidate here because I pointed on daily correction. Anyway, we don't need to refer about, to discuss about all these things. Now we're looking for the buy. Simply, we cannot take the trade. We have looked for the trade setup. And now the question is, if the price dropped to 2.37, then from there you want to see the price can break 2.37 or not. Because after that, we can expect the price drop to somewhere around 2. Okay. When I'm discussing about these things, I want to say that we shouldn't buy without the trade setup. Okay, then, and right now I'm looking at this. Usually we say if the price retests the previous low, then we put our entry above here. But at this point, for me, I'm not looking, I will not wait for the price to drop to 2.37. I will put my entry above here. And what I want to price, if sharply tag, then I want to see the continuation. If not, I will not keep the trade more than 2 hours. But for sure, if the price drop, then we are not in the trade, is no problem. Then any reversal from there as a flag, mostly we will have to look for the 15-minute or 5-minute chart. 5 minute, I don't think so. 15-minute, then I will take the trade. Okay, or even if we get flag based on a 1 hour chart. That's mean right now I'm looking for trade. Having entry above here can be an option. This is what I'm looking for. But if the price tag, we see there is no continuation as a sharp, or we see within the 2 hours there is no continuation, I will take with the trade. I will not keep the trade. Okay, because of maybe the price consolidated for longer time before we see the breakout of the 2.9. Anyway, we're looking for continuation, and if we move to higher time frame, based on daily chart, we don't see anything. All right, and that's why we have to look for, at this point, we have to look for the chart at the 1 hour chart, even 4 hour chart, nothing. All right, we can expect the price consolidate here, similar to this, for continuation. I don't think so we will get the deep daily correction here. That's why I mentioned if I get any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And all right, the only question is, can we get the divergence if the price sharply break? This is what we need to point on. But at this point, I will not care about that. Any trade, any opportunity for buy, I will take it. And we mentioned based on 1 hour, 1 hour chart, how we can look for trade. And if I move to 15-minute, similar explanation. Okay. Again, if we move to 1 hour chart, the entry will be somewhere around 2.61. And if we move to 15-minute, yes, 2.61. All right, maybe we put a bit higher, 2.62. All right, then what we want to price sharply tag, break, and continue the price tag. We see there is no continuation. We should not keep the trade. That's why if the price drop to and retest the previous low, okay, then we have to look, we can look for the divergence, but the only question is this shadow. We are not going to consider this shadow at this point. All right, anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And after the breakout of 2.9, we're looking to see the breakout of an all-time high. Thanks.